Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a snowblower. There's an issue with my snowblower which is not running after you turn up the choke. So once you go to the main, the snowblower shuts off. So we are going to diagnose what's wrong with the snowblower and we'll look at it. So I'll take you through how to clean the carburetor and make the snowblower work properly. So this is what I am talking about. You turn the choke. So as soon as you turn off the choke, it stops. So we have to investigate what's going on with this one. So you see here, so the main jet is plugged. I don't know whether you can see that. It's plugged inside. So I'm going to clean this main jet and then assemble everything together. I had to take the tank off to remove the throttle lever. Yeah, and yeah, it's more than I bargained for. Let's see. So found the problem for this Toro snowblower. You see this small screw, it goes at the bottom of the carburetor. So there's a washer around that which is kind of eaten up and it is worn out. So what I did was I put sealant there and then I'm going to screw it in at the bottom of the carburetor and see how it works. Hopefully it works. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.